You're so slow, and the cold wind starts to blow. I still hear a quiet song telling me to carry on. Every mile and every scar led me to where dreamers are. Through the darkness, through the rain, hope keeps calling out my name. This is the sound of hope, rising like the morning sun. A simple song, a faithful road, reminds me I'm not done. With an old guitar in my hands and freedom in my soul, I'll keep singing through the night. The sound of hope will lead me home. I've seen rivers running dry, I watched broken eagles fly. Still my heart believes somehow better days are coming now. So let the